the Generation 3 RLD design canopy. This canopy has a modular design with a sleek and clean new look. Each canopy is made from 3 sheets of Ferretic Stainless steel that is CNC bent, welded and finished off with an 80-micron powder coating to ensure you get the quality you deserve. Our canopies weigh as little as 75 kilograms and has a dynamic loading capacity of up to 350 kilograms. All our canopies have the following standard features: a positive pressure air vent, keeping the dust where it belongs. The air vent is simple to use, but very effective. Large gull wing doors, each with 2 gas struts, concealed hinges and 2 oversized push locks. The side doors can be complemented with bonded, recessed, sliding or solid windows, with or without a hexagonal mesh. An integrated LED rear brake light. An integrated, internally mounted, motion-sensing USB rechargeable LED light. See our color brochure for the range of colors we offer. Our robust, reliable and functional products are internationally renowned, with products being supplied to the North American, Australian, European and Middle Eastern markets. RLD Design, more than just a canopy, it's stainless art.